Did you placed or did you get any kind of job offer? Then all you need to know the 10 labor laws which was prevailing in India. Before going to the detailed analysis, let me introduce myself. I am Srilekha Pujari and co-associate of Satya's Legal Talks. The first one is Minimum Wages Act. Minimum Wages Act deals with what was the minimum wage that employees should get, and it differs from the state to state. For example, what was the minimum wage rate provided by Telangana government? It differs from what was the minimum wage rate provided by the Maharashtra government. Second one is Payment of Wages Act. Payment of Wages Act deals with what was the basic salary, or within what was the deadline that employees should get their salary. As per this act, within 7th day of every month that employee should get their salary. And this act also deals what were the reasons that employer has deducted their salary, it should be given. And third one is Equal Remuneration Act. Equal Remuneration Act deals with the employee should get their remuneration without having any kind of discrimination, either in the basis of caste, religion, etc., etc. Fourth one is Provident Fund Act. The Provident Fund Act deals with the Provident Fund and also deals with the pensions during the retirement. If we go through the deduction analysis on the basis of basic salary and dearness allowances, as per that, the deduction will be 12%. And the fifth one is State Insurance Act. As per the State Insurance Act, it deals with the all kind of accident, all kind of medical insurance. And as per the act, it also deals with the individual insurance and also their family insurance also. So as per the act, the deduction will be 7.5%, and in that also the employer will contribute 4% of the basic salary. For example, if your salary is 10,000 rupees, if you have any kind of insurance, then the deduction will be 75 rupees. In 10,000 minus 75 rupees, you will get 9,925. In that 9,925, employer contribution will be 400 rupees. The resultant net wage will be your basic salary. And the sixth one is Bonus Act. The Bonus Act deals with the all kind of bonus you need to get while during the time of employment. The basic bonus that every company should provide is 8.33%. If your company is in profits, or if you're doing very well in your company, then the minimum bonus you need to get is 20%. And eighth labor law is that the Shops and Establishment Act. As per the act, you need to know its basic right. You need to know how many paid leaves and how many holidays are there, how many sick leaves are there, and on what days you are getting national holidays or state level holidays. All kind of information will be provided in this. And the ninth one is Maternity Benefit Act. Maternity Benefit Act deals with the all kind of benefits related to the maternity, and as per the act, minimum 26 paid leaves that every women need to get as per the act. And the 10th one is Industrial Dispute Act. Industrial Dispute Act basically deals with the relationship between the employer and employee. If any employer need to hire an employee, or they have to remove any employee, they have to give the reasons. And if any employee is not satisfied with the removal by the employer, they can challenge in the industrial related forum also. And in that he or she will get the remedy. Thank you.